what we believed, and it turned out not to be so true. We thought that our hands-on skills are really good. And here we have this beautiful massage center. And there were several of us practicing there, that we believed that because our hands-on skills were good, that clients would keep coming to us. They would comply with whatever suggestions we made. There would be repeat visits. Our client retention would be really high because they loved our work. And after all, if they loved our work, wouldn't they just keep coming back? And wouldn't they refer others? Wouldn't they be excited to tell everyone, oh, you got to go see these guys? Well, that happened to some degree, but not nearly as much as we had imagined it would. Okay. And to be honest, we weren't at capacity. We were a little frustrated. We were, a little stressed, a little struggled to see more clients, to reach a capacity. Now, something that happened, it's kind of funny almost looking back, or fortuitous. What happened was some of our clients, because now keep in mind, I've been receiving chiropractic care along with massage. And some of our clients who we realized that they had locked vertebrae. They just needed chiropractic adjustments to release them out. And we referred them to a trustworthy chiropractors that we knew. And it's kind of funny, because I remember at the time, it's funny, you can remember things emotionally that happened decades ago. I was thinking, this is really suicidal. Here we are wanting more clients, and I'm referring them out, thinking, well, again, right? The chiropractor is going to keep them or hoard them, which is a big fear a lot of people have.
But so unfounded, isn't it? Like it's reverse when you think about it.
You know it. Now, granted, some would do that. I mean, some are hoarders. There's practitioners who are hoarders, as I call them, in different professions. But yeah, you see where this is going. So what happened, and unexpected to us, we were surprised because, we didn't know the ropes. Not only did the chiropractors reinforce the need for these clients to come back to us, which then validated what we're doing even more, because, the chiropractor said so. The clients trusted us more.
Yeah.
Because why? Well, because they sensed our level of honesty, integrity, and that it's funny. There's like 200 client management skills, so to speak, that's in my course, Client Management Mastery. But we kind of stumbled upon just one, like knowing how and when to refer clients out. So it so upgrades your professionalism. The trust factor increases. So the clients came back to us, and then because of the trust factor was so great, because they trusted we knew how to manage at least that one area of their care, they started referring others. And so we had practices that were, super successful. It's like a waiting list practice to get in to see us.
So from one ethical choice, it changed your clinic around.